Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Walbro 255 fuel pump is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for car enthusiasts looking to boost their vehicle's performance, and in this video, we will delve into a comprehensive review of this popular fuel pump, examining its features, performance, and overall value. We will explore its compatibility with various vehicles, installation process, and address common questions and concerns surrounding its use, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Walbro GSL 392 Fuel Pump Kit. This kit provides a reliable and high-performance fuel solution for your vehicle. It's designed for easy installation and comes with everything you need. It delivers fuel at 255 liters per hour, ensuring your engine receives the fuel it needs, even under high demand. This is perfect for modified vehicles. This inline pump is designed for universal compatibility, making it a versatile option for a wide range of vehicles. Check compatibility before purchasing. Everything you need for installation is included in the box, saving you time and effort. No need to source additional parts. It's built by Walbro, a trusted name in fuel pumps, ensuring long-lasting performance and dependability. You can trust it to keep your engine running smoothly. The kit is designed for straightforward installation, even for DIY enthusiasts. Detailed instructions are included for a smooth process. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for installation, saving you time and hassle. It's a universal fit, so it works with many vehicles. If you value convenience and a straightforward installation process, this is the pump for you. What people say. I took this external fuel pump, and used rubber fuel line rated for fuel-injected systems, and connected it to a marine gas tank that I purchased from Amazon, Atwood Corporation ASM gauge 6-gallon gas tank. I saw where someone had done this with an engine stand made for running an engine before you put it back in a car. Only I think they used an in-tank type fuel pump. I have a 94 LT1 engine that I have been thinking about doing this with, but I was trying to start a 99 Ford Taurus with the 24-valve Duratec engine in it that had not been started for several years. So I took out all the spark plugs and put a few pumps of automatic transmission fluid in each cylinder, and then cranked the engine over with no plugs, to make sure all the cylinders were free and now lubricated. At that point is when I found the fuel pump was not working, because I had disconnected the lines at the engine and put a hose to a gas can to try and pump the old gasoline out of the car's tank, but no gas came out. So I bought the pieces and put together this pump with the marine tank. Put some new gasoline in the marine gas tank, and using a Ford fuel connector I hooked up this fuel pump to the engine. I also hooked up a return line that I put back in the marine gas tank, simply by removing the fill cap and putting the return hose into it. I had also hooked up wires to the terminals on this fuel pump to some battery camps like you find on most battery chargers for cars. I checked the return line and I was soon getting a large flow of gasoline from return hose, like you should, since these fuel pumps for fuel-injected engine put out many times the gasoline that they need to take, and all of it at this point since I had not started the engine yet. I turned the key and the car started right up. The part arrived quickly, was easy to install and runs great. It's much quieter than its Holly counterpart and does the job well. The pump supplies gas to a 460 cubic inch big block Ford board .030 over with a 280H comp cam and roller rockers. Pump flows quite well on my 1984 Toyota Cressida with a 2JZGE plus T engine swap. I would highly recommend upgrading your fuel pump wiring if you're using this pump. It draws a bit of power. Also, this pump has to be mounted at or below the level of the bottom of the tank. If you don't, it will cavitate and make all kind of noise and not pump fuel properly. Number 4. AdvanEX 255 LPH Fuel Pump. This high-performance fuel pump is a direct replacement for the Walbro GSS 341. It's 100% tested to ensure peak performance and reliability. It comes with everything you need for a smooth installation, including a rubber hose, wire harness, and all the necessary clamps. Professional installation is recommended for optimal results. It delivers 255 liters per hour, making it perfect for cars and trucks demanding high fuel flow. Experience enhanced power and acceleration. The kit includes a fuel pump, rubber hose, wire harness, rubber and foam sleeves, fuel strainer, and clamps. Everything you need is right in the box. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles needing a high-flow fuel pump upgrade. It's the perfect solution for boosted applications and performance enhancements. It's built to last, providing years of reliable performance. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty. We're dedicated to customer satisfaction. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. It's a perfect replacement for your old pump and performs just as well as the original. It's designed for high-performance vehicles and comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. If you need a reliable, high-performance replacement that's easy to install, this is a great option. What people say. Got this to replace a 6-month-old 255 genuine Walbro that died on me. To my surprise, this seems to work better. It seems to flow a little less, but it is more consistent. And quieter. This pump seems good quality and quite it got what I need to replace the old one, except I had to do wiring as the plug wasn't the same. Pump works fine but was kinda hard to get to fit right, otherwise works fine for application, not noisy or any pressure fluctuations. Number 3. Walbro GSL 392 Fuel Pump. This fuel pump is built to last. Its all-metal construction ensures durability and reliability for your vehicle. It features a robust, all-metal shell, protecting the pump's internal components. This design enhances its lifespan and performance. It's designed to handle a variety of pressures and flows, making it suitable for various applications. It even excels in high-pressure situations like turbocharged and supercharged engines. It's compatible with most EFI systems. This makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of vehicles and modifications. It's manufactured by TI Automotive, the owner of the Walbro brand. You'll find the TI Automotive stamp, signifying its quality and authenticity. What we like. This pump is built to last with its all-metal construction. It can handle high pressure and is compatible with various EFI applications. If you need a durable, high-performance pump for a demanding application, this is a solid choice. What people say. Flow direction arrow is clear and easy to see. Electrical connectors aren't easy to keep protected from the elements, might just need to put some dielectric grease on periodically. Pump has run flawlessly for 10k miles, no leaks. I upgraded my supercharger and needed a third fuel pump. This worked out flawlessly, super easy to install and small enough to hide in tight places. It's producing 7 pnds of pressure to the fuel rail and with a Hobbs switch to turn it on when needed. Couldn't ask for better. But if you adding this pump to your car or truck, you will need a check valve before going into the fuel rail, cause without that you will lose pressure and it won't work right or run right. Get the valve right from Amazon. Used this on my 1958 Chevy I dumped a LS into and worked perfectly. Using it on 375 horsepower works well. Number 2. QFS 255 LPH Fuel Pump. It's engineered for peak performance and reliability, providing consistent fuel flow for up to 100,000 miles. This ensures your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. It's flow tested to guarantee accurate fuel delivery, maximizing your vehicle's power. Perfect for vehicles with performance upgrades. It's built with durable materials to handle high-octane fuel and exceed industry standards for longevity. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily driving. It runs quietly and smoothly thanks to upgraded components. Enjoy consistent fuel flow and amperage draw without unnecessary noise. It comes with a lifetime warranty and dedicated customer support based in Ventura, California. We're committed to your satisfaction. It's American-owned and operated since 1999. We're proud to offer a superior product backed by our commitment to quality. What we like. This pump is engineered for peak performance and longevity. It's designed for quiet operation and comes with a lifetime warranty. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting pump that won't break the bank, this is a great option. What people say. In spite of this pump not even being close to the size of my original pump, the OEM is 20% larger, it wasn't too hard to modify and adapt it to work just fine. Fuel pumps aren't that complicated, so assuming you are good with some basic tools and understand the wiring, just about any similar shaped pump can work just fine. Very good product. Installed easily and is working great. The product fit my car, and it was relatively easy to install. Number 1. Walbro GSS 342 Fuel Pump. This fuel pump is designed for high-performance applications. It delivers impressive power and reliability. With a 255 lph flow rate, it's perfect for demanding engines. Experience superior fuel delivery. This is the fuel pump itself, it's ready for installation. Everything you need for a powerful upgrade. It's designed for performance and custom builds. It's adaptable to a wide range of applications. Remember the part number, GSS 342, for easy ordering and identification. Ensure you get the right part for your needs. It's designed for straightforward installation. Get back on the road quickly and easily. What we like. This pump delivers a high flow rate of 255 lph, perfect for performance upgrades. It's ideal for custom applications where you need a powerful and reliable fuel pump. If you need a high-performance pump for a custom build, this is the pump for you. What people say. Installation was pretty much plug-and-play and fairly easy. From all the knockoff Walbro pumps out there, I was worried about this product. However, from what I can tell, it seems like the real thing. Regardless, it works great in my vehicle going on 6 months now. I replaced the original fuel pump in my 1990 Mazda RX-7 convertible with this model over a year ago, and everything is still working as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.